to eat. In India, the tigers prowl with orange fur and a mighty growls. Monkeys swing from tree to tree, chattering, jumping, wild and free. Cobras dance and lift up high, swaying, swaying side to side. Indian elephants, big and strong, march through jungles all day long. Roar like a lion, jump like a roo, swing like a monkey, what can you do? Animals here, animals there, let's explore them everywhere. Pandas munch on bamboo sticks, rolling, tumbling, doing tricks. Komodo dragons, watch them go, creeping, crawling, nice and slow. Tigers roam through forests deep, with orange stripes and paws so sleek. Kangaroos hop, boing, 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 carrying babies as they go along. Koalas nap in eucalyptus trees, sleeping softly in the breeze. Crocodiles wait with a big